So first I'm going to show you how to make a list of figures. And as you can see, I've got this Word document over here with some figures. So 3 pages. And now I want to make a list of figures. And first you need to go to your figure, select it, you right click it, and then you need to go to Insert Caption. And here you can add the name. So let's say pie chart. And at label you can select if it's a figure or a table, but it's a figure in this case. And at position you can select if you want to have it above the figure or below the figure, so the caption. And I want to have it below the figure. And here you can choose if you want to exclude the label from caption. So as you can see, figure is removed when I enable this, but I want to keep that. And then you select OK to add the caption, and it will look like this. So we need to do that for the other 2 figures too. Now you need to go to a blank page where you want to add the list of figures. After that you need to go to References over here, and then you want to insert the table of figures. So this button over here. And here you can configure your table, so if you want to show the page numbers or not. So this is the preview, and it shows how it will look like in your document. If you want to right align the page numbers, if you align them to the right, and if you want to have dots or dashes. And you can also change the format and the caption label. So if it's a table or a figure, but I want to have a figure, and I want to include label and a number. When you're done, you select OK, and now the list of figures is added to the document. If you did some changes to your figures or the caption of your figures, you need to right click it in this list, and here you can update the field. And you can also choose to update the entire table or only this one. And last but not least, you can add a title over here, so list of figures. Okay, so now we got the list of figures,